Hello friend, I'll show you how to easily fix Logitech speaker's crackling volume knob, potentiometer. You must have noticed that the sound crackles when volume is increased and decreased, and it's annoying, especially when your girlfriend is visiting. So, we'll help you out of this awkward situation and show you how to repair scratchy and noisy volume control or tone control for Logitech Z623 or any other equipment. To stop the volume control cracking, most often this knob, or properly the volume or tone potentiometer, simply needs to be cleaned, certainly not with a toothpaste, but with special electronics chemistry, which costs less than a good pizza in your town. To do this, you need a variety of tools to disassemble the Logitech speaker, to get to the potentiometer, and of course electronics chemistry to repair and clean the volume knob. We will use PRF 778, but any special potentiometer cleaner spray will do. If you're ready for it, tear down your system. Just remember to unplug it before you start, and it is important to remember where which screw was used so you can put it all back together afterwards. Once you've made it inside, look for where the potentiometer element is hidden. Most often, you'll need to remove both the volume and base level knobs to disassemble completely. Don't forget to unscrew the locking nuts on both potentiometers. Then you have to unscrew the printed circuit board to which the potentiometer is soldered. Pulling the board itself out can be a hassle. The main thing is not to damage it, as cracking the potentiometer will then be the least of your problems. Then find your potentiometer cleaner spray. Take some tissue. You'll need it to keep the cleaning chemistry of other parts, and you can start the cleaning process, which is quite simple. Spray the cleaner potentiometer over all the slots and then twist it so the chemistry gets inside on all the contacts. Then you can wait and repeat the process again several times. Inject, turn, inject, wait, turn, and so on several times. After cleaning, wait about 20 minutes for chemistry to dry. If you're brave and your grandmother allows you to plug in broken electronics, then it is time to check if you managed to fix it. If you're under 18 and your grandmother does not allow you to connect the disassembled electronics to the electricity, then put them back together and only then connect them to the electricity to check that everything is working correctly. Since we are over 18, we will take the risk and check now if we manage to stop the volume control cracking or if we still need to clean it. Listen carefully. Perfect, like new. We have saved $150 by not buying a new system. If you still hear a crackling sound when you check it, then do a re-clean. If there is crackling noise afterwards, then your potentiometer is most likely defective and needs to be replaced, rewired. But that's a different video, as it's very rarely at fault. If everything is okay, then the easiest thing left is to put the speaker back. Slowly, without hurry, put all the parts in place. If there's a problem, always feel free to write in comments. Someone from the Texture team will help you out. We'd love if you like this video to thank us for these money-saving DIYs. Good luck and see you in another video.